to climb axle. Oh girl, don't be shy. Headshot is what I'm here for.
Having my mom style my hair and cutting me a Chinese bang. So she just went in with the clippers and just trimmed it straight across. I didn't want my bang extremely thick. I kind of wanted it somewhat thin, but not extremely thin. So I think it turned out really, really nice. So the bang was going in a certain direction. So after she trimmed the bang and tried to flat iron it, I had to just tie it down with my scarf just so it would lay flat, because as you can see in the clip right here, it just was not laying in the direction I wanted to go. So I just tied a scarf around it, let it sit, and it eventually worked out. What I can say about this hair is it is really, really soft and it is low maintenance. It's not too much tangling, so it's pretty easy. It's definitely going to be one of my go-to wigs.
Girl for the weekend, falling for you, baby boy, I'm wicked. Situation's crazy.